yourself? Did you do that? Did you do that when I was asleep?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Chocolate. You can't eat chocolate. You can't, I'm sorry. You can't eat chocolate.
He just found me. He just sneezed. It was on my arm.
Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
Pumba, arrête.
I got your belly. I got you.
Dog number 1, good catch. Dog number 2, good catch. Dog number 3, good catch. Dog number 4.
Hey, Haiku, can you sing?
You don't think I can make this jump? Watch this. Here we go. Ready? Yeah. What? Why are you laughing? That's very distracting. Please stop laughing.
Jump, dude.
Jump. Okay, I know. All right, just give me a second. Here we go. Yeah. See, told ya.
Gosh. I'm not doing this.
Tell me why I came home and my dog's on my roof. Oh my god, oh my god.
What's up? Arr. Arr, arr, arr. Arr.
Hey! It's been... A bird just landed on me. A bird just landed on me. Norman, get up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get up. We gotta go. Come on. Over here. Come on. Let's go.
Ah, so you heard about my famous trick, huh? Well, I could bust it out one more time. I call it a cat flip. Yeah. How do you like that?
Hey, Don. Thank you so much. Yeah, you two are excited to read about Trash and Taylor and other news stories.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. Meow, 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 meow. I'm just gonna lick on my paws. Yum, 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 yum. Don't feel like chasing after mice. Some tuna fish sounds mighty nice. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. Meow, 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 meow. What time is it? Is it lunchtime?
You look amazing. You look amazing. You look so handsome. Come on, Lola.
I want some chicken nuggets, please. Please give me the chicken nuggets. Please give me your nuggets. Please give me the chicken nuggets. Where are the chicken nuggets? Where are the chicken nuggets? I smell them. Oh, I see them. They look so delicious. Please give me the chicken nuggets. Please give me chicken nuggets.
I like to eat pieces of spinach. And I like to eat pieces of spinach. Is that how it goes? Is that the classic tune?
Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say well.
What's up? Hey, Denver. That's one cool doggo. Okay.
너무 뱃살이 많긴 한데 이렇게 매일 마사지를 해주시니 너무 감사하죠. 감사합니다. 마사지 해주셔서 우리 영근 씨. What you got there? You eating a chicken nugget? You want this? You want this? Una papita. Here. No. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. You're so adorable. Whoops. You're so cute. I gotta go. Bye.
Don't mean that you kiss nothing. No matter body ke tumi normal real fire jone jetu din print korba hereafter is much more real. Sarah.
It's so funny.
শুনছো সারা? এক কান্দে ঢুকে এক কান্দে বের করে দিও না।
Do you not like it, baby? Are you covering it with the towel? Do you not like it? Is it not good?
Ready? Are you ready? Bring it up here.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. Receiving signal. Receiving signal. Receiving signal. Captain, unknown transmission. From what appears to be tracing. A heart-shaped balloon.
Tell me, you want to go outside? You walking? You didn't? Okay. Oh.
What? Ow! Domino. That hurts.
Babushka dog. Babushka dog. Babushka dog. Babushka dog.
Dude. I can't. Look at this smile.
No! This is my ice cream.
Like, but it could be ours.
No, you're not sneaky. Go.
Mr. Gouda sits in his nice little window seat with his own personal quilt. So good, so posh. Kenny sleeps in a shoebox. That's not quite big enough for him.
This cat is having the best night. He's like, he went from having no lasagna to being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
What is going on here? You are causing a ruckus.
Dus ik kan me niet zo heel erg goed voorstellen.
Lick.
See the toys. Oh no!
My dog literally is ripping up my homework. I basically made like a notebook with all my work and now I literally ripped it all up. So no. Lisa, Hopper, enough. Give that back. Yeah. See? This is such a naughty dog. He literally ripped up all my homework and I worked so hard in it.
Hey, Carol. Was wondering if you'd like to go out with me to dinner on Tuesday night. There's a new trash can I've heard great things about. And after that, maybe we could go watch my cousins fight over a half-eaten corn on the cob. What do you think, huh? Sounds like fun, right? Well, you let me know, okay? Let me know when you want me to pick you up, all right? Bye, Carol.
Well, you got the hiccup, though. I can get rid of it, no problem. She got work on the dog. I think that. So they'll probably go on there.
Okay, everyone, we have a breach on the first floor. There's an intruder. And it seems to be made of... I don't know what. I'm jumping on it and... Okay, I don't know what to do anymore.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Set.
Mommy's gonna take the bone, okay? It's my bone. Give me the bone.
I don't think Reba and Nigel like the cat distribution system. said no. Bro, both of these cats are giving like NPC. Like when you touch them or go up to them, they like say some random facts. Fallon has legends too.
Good job.
These people's cat really loves potatoes.
Hello. Hello.
Every single time I'm moving, and there have been a lot of times, I have had a heart attack looking for Jonas at one point or another. And every single time, he's always in a cupboard. I can hear him. There he is.
Saskia, hier komt Saskia. Meh. Meh.
Stay. Okay.
Say good morning, Daddy.
What is on? Relax. Colby, stop. Colby, stop. I said stop!
He's posing.
Bang.
Hey, Liv, stick 'em up. Beg for your life. Beg!
Oh, you're okay.
You okay, princess?
Got something right here.
I do? Where?
You got something right here.
I don't see anything.
Whoa.
How dare you? I trusted you and you made me look a fool. We're done here. We're done.
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Just take those old records off.
Well, I gotta tell you, Doc. Whoa, this is some pretty good stuff you got here. Can we come to the vet more often?
Oh yeah, that's it right there. You're kidding it. That's right, you're kidding it. Oh, you are absolutely nailing this. Are you able to be my permanent petter? I would really like that.
Too gay. Get off.
Yeah, so it looks like you're gonna need a new, new fuse here. I think it's just, yeah, this wiring is not up to code. I mean, it's a new unit, so it should be fine. I think, you just got your positive and negative cross. Let me run down to my, let me go down to the truck, I'll get some tools, and, we'll get the thing straight down a bit. Sound good?
I can't believe these guys always leaving stuff around when they leave work. I gotta do everything by myself. Jeez, I told Maroney to put that back. Can't do anything right.
You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. My name's Carl and I'm on catnip for the first time. And it is freaking awesome. I can't believe my human kept this from me for so long. Why did he keep this from me? I'm just like having the time of my life. I'm chasing laser beams and playing with toys. I'm gonna keep doing catnip for as long as I can.
Get it, boy.
Vai, caralho, passa. Vai, filha da puta. Sai, porra. Tu tá com caralho, porra. Canta, demônio, canta.